Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That's funny, isn't it? He doesn't, his sense of humor sucks, honestly. You know, it's funny because I feel like I have a pretty good sense of humor unless I'm pissed off at the track and there's a box fan around. And Teresa has a great sense of humor. Obviously, she's can put up with me. But this guy, I don't know, serious. Okay, let's do this thing. It's lunchtime, but when we get done eating that, oh my God. We might not even need to eat lunch if we just drink this. We'll be powered up like a small city. Damn right we will. Okay, guess what? Hey, we're working on a LOVEBOAT. But you knew that looking at the title of the video, and there's probably some picture of this piece of garbage. Probably still sitting on jack stands. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna eat lunch and we're gonna do the water pump thing. We're gonna put this fuel cell in, we're gonna do the, like, harness, I don't know, we're just gonna do some crap. And I'll just probably show it to you as I'm working on it or getting done with it or whatever the hell we're gonna do. So anyway, see you guys in the next clip.
Big ass trash bag, like trash!
Our water pump stuck in and it is secure. So we're also got to do the alternator deal. I'm gonna have to find a belt for that or get a belt for it. And also, I don't know if I have any spacer stuff here. This is a problem when you work on something at home, you work on something out here, and you end up, hey, I forgot this, or I don't have that, yada, 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 yada. Got our fuel cell mounted. Not going anywhere. Went from a 10 to a 5 or 8 to a 5, so we're, had to drill some new holes and stuff, and we've got it, if you'll notice, we've got it stood up, so it's, because the trunk actually slopes like this, we got it stood up so it's level or even maybe tilted just a little bit. So anyway, that's done. Got our voltage gauge in, fuel pump, water pump and fan, lights. Not sure what that does. That might have been for, it's supposed to be for headlights. Because all we have is the ignition and the fuel pump are tied in together. So, and then the fan and the water pump are tied in together. And then we got the parking lights, and then the two-step is on its own button. So anyway, we got some power. So, man, I gotta get rid of this. I'm not happy. I want this moved forward some, so we'll put the other, some point. We got other stuff we gotta buy. We'll see how it all works out. Ooh, that looks like the start of something special. Oh, this thing's gonna be barely, I hope it's faster than it was before. There's a possibility it couldn't be. We've got Brain's old mufflers bolted up in there. Not exactly what I want to run, but it'll work for what we're starting with. Then we can do something with it later on. It is freaking gross. I am sweating like crazy. We got the shifter bolted in. Now we can finish tightening the drive shaft up. And man, it's disgusting out here. Ugh. Got no clutch cable. Oh yeah. Someone mentioned, you know, why maybe set the motor back like 3 inches. I'm like, that's just, I'm trying to keep it simple. My motivation only lasts so long. I think that is clear if you've ever watched the channel for more than 10 minutes, that I get excited about working on something. And while I'm excited about working on it, we need to work on it. We don't need to overcomplicate it where it's like, and then I'm like, okay, screw this. I'm bored or frustrated and I just want it to run. I want to be able to drive it. I just want to drive it. I don't want it to be perfect. I don't want to re-engineer the wheel. I just want to be able to go out and race it, drive it as simply as I can to get it going. And So moving it back, it's going to move the shifter back, which I'm not sure how I'd feel about that because I'm happy with how the seat is. I want the steering wheel to be a little bit forward, but I'm happy with the seat and the shifter. So I don't want to mess with any of that stuff. Anyway, it'll be fine. The motor mounts, I mean, that was just a thing. Like, hey, try it. It doesn't work. It ain't no big deal. It's not like, oh, the whole project centered around me being able to use solid motor mounts. Those motor mounts are fine. They're not even tore up. They're actually in really good shape. And with the torque, this thing don't make, it's fine. It's just a thought, no big deal. There's no reason to go down a rabbit hole over something that to me isn't super important. It's just, it is what it is. Okay, so now I guess, I'm not sure what we need to do. We need to do something, so let's start working. We've been fiddling around with the clutch cable stuff, and at this, I know, right? But that's got the cable tight. It's got it, you know, on the fork, okay. We could tighten it up, give it a few more turns to really put some tension on it, which is the way I like to run it. But this is not how you want to run things because that's way, way too far out. So, yeah, like I just found that and was using it as a spacer, just trying to get an idea of where I needed to be. We could still do the plate and space the plate out, or I can look for a piece of pipe to use as a sleeve and then just have to get some longer bolts or whatever to secure it to the firewall and yada, yada, yada. So, but the cable doesn't rub anymore. That's the main part of it. So that clutch does not have a whole lot of jiggy on it. So like, I got wham, 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 wham. Well, we don't want to do that. Be like, so look around, see if I can find something. If I can, I can. If I can't, I can't. So anyway, we're working on it. Grounds around the old workplace, I found something that might be absolutely perfect. It's actually wider at the bottom, so it's got a little bit more base to it. Sweet. Let me tell you something, home slice. When the Lincoln 5-speed Revolution starts, this is going to be a game changer. Oh, damn. Check this clutch pedal out. Boy, that is snap, crackle, pop right there, boy. You kick it, lick it, and stick it. Just take it on to the house. Yeah. I like to run the cable tight. That's just the way I like to do it. I don't like a bunch of rigmarole. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Let me sit in and grip it one time. All right, you rabbits, hold on to your lettuce now, because we'd be like, well, to the floor. Ooh, pop. Try that one time. Stage in. Oh yeah. Stage in, what? We're good. All right. Got the two-step wiring up. And we gotta do harnesses and we gotta put some oil in it. Certainly. Some fuel, gotta put distributor in it. We're pretty close. I mean, pretty close. We got a big ass wire nut there just for people that don't like wire nuts. So we're getting closer. I think that's gonna do it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and head home. It's getting a little kind of late. I got to Didn't work on it a ton, but we did some problem solving. So I think I can live with this contraption. And man, I get this moved. Something a little smaller, a little more like right in here, I think. Kind of, I don't know, not. This just feels too far back. The seat and the shifter and the clutch pedal are good. Steering wheel, not as amused with. I mean, I can drive it, but I'd rather it be a little bit closer in. So, and maybe a little smaller wheel, because I want to get rid of the chip lab. Bye. So, all right, we're getting there. We're getting there. So, see you guys in the next clip. Okay, I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Mine was good, or ours was good, and then I ended up getting sick the last couple days. So, you know, this is the carburetor, or part of it, that we're going to use on the Lincoln. I'm not going to show me putting it together. There's a ton of carb videos on YouTube that you can watch that'll be way better than mine and way more informative. We're just going to reassemble it. So we've got a test and tune coming up. Surprisingly, Joey changed his mind, wanted to open up. Don't know what I'm going to take. Not going to take the Lincoln. Not going to take Brain. Either going to take Trojan, or we're going to take the Fail TD. The Fail TD is the easy one. We just got a couple tiny little things to do to it. It's good to go. Trojan, maybe try and do the cam swap. Maybe do the, I don't know about the anti-roll, if I can get the anti-roll on or not. Because I got to have, like Lance or Eric, weld the end plates on and the tabs. And I don't want to rush them or whatever, so I don't know. We'll just have to see. I'll make a decision. I got to make it soon, though. So I can, you know, if it's going to be Trojan, I got to make it soon so I can get to work on it. And then, like I say, the Fail TD's not a big deal. So anyway, I just thought I'd wrap this one up because I'm not sure when this is going to get done or whatever. We might have to work on other cars for the TNT. So kind of popped out of the blue. He just posted it today. Today is Tuesday. He just posted that today. So anyway, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to. But especially, thanks for watching. Until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year, high-rise, push rod, stick shift Lincoln Town cars, 1 year only. 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, builder, decorator, painter, dishwasher at Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting the good fight against them zombie mustaches. Dang. And Rascal Dr. Fear. See you guys in the next doggone video. Man.